there, my name is Raymond, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to ride a manual bike properly. First, I want to show you the difference between the automatic and manual motorcycle. The automatic motorcycle has only three components. First, the rear brake, the front brake, and the gas. And on the manual motorcycle, it has five components. First, the gas, the front brake, the rear brake, the clutch, and finally, the gear step.
Make sure you always wear a helmet when riding a motorcycle for your safety. To enter first gear from neutral, you pull the clutch and at the same time push the gear up or down using your foot. After that, you open the gas slowly and at the same time release the clutch until the motorbike moves forward. The most difficult part of riding a manual motorcycle is when we want to start from a stop position. Once you are in the moving position like in the video, you just do the same part as at the beginning. To change gears, you just have to close the gas, pull the clutch, and push the clutch lever up or down the same as the beginning. When riding a manual motorcycle, the important things to remember are close the gas before using the clutch and always pull the clutch when you want to change gears. So, you only need to pay attention to the gas lever, clutch lever, and gear level. That's it. And the last thing you need to pay attention is how to use the clutch when you want to stop. So, when you are in the stop position, you just have to change the gears to neutral and release the clutch. Remember, always change the gears to neutral when you have stopped. And this is what will happen if you don't put the gear into neutral when you stop.
And that's about it. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching.